welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. It's time, it's late, let's get into it. It is my March Derma E box. I'm not gonna lie, I think because I'm a Derma E, I got like on the Derma E influencer list, I no longer get elements, and it's just fine. It's okay. Because I'm still gonna buy Elements products, they're just great. But Derma E is more affordable, so I can buy more of their stuff, you know what I mean? And this box feels heavier than last month. Last month was a little light. And I'm ready to get into it. So if you're ready to get into the... It's my mailbox, so I don't really care. But if you guys are ready to get into this Derma E unboxing, keep on watching. All right. I'm ready. If you're ready, I don't know where this energy is coming from. I think because I'm making good time. I almost dropped everything. But I'm ready to get into this unboxing. I know my last skincare video was a lot. Definitely not what I'm used to. It's just the mermaid knife, y'all. Regarding my concerns with Truly Beauty, and very much real. And I just don't know. I can never open these things. I'm at a point where I don't know if I can continue to support them and purchase their products, just because it's just way too many inconsistencies for the price point, and I don't like that at all. If you guys have any... This lip gloss, jeez. If you guys have any suggestions for any skincare products that you guys would like me to try, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. But let's get started. Content creators scan to win what? I'm gonna scan. It's a scan to win. Okay, sorry. I got my phone. We're gonna scan to win. Hopefully I win. I'm gonna tell you right now, I don't really have good luck. Maybe I win. Okay, but it's telling me about the products. Oh wait, I gotta watch the video for a chance to win? What I gotta do? Let's hear.
We're all looking for more balance in our lives.
Okay, girl.
Stay to the end of this video to see how you can gift a little bit of balance to your inner circle. Welcome to the launch of our new Pure Biome line.
Okay.
We're so excited. You guys are gonna be the first ones to try.
Okay, so I'm going to watch that later, I guess. But this is their new Pure Biome line, as we just heard from the video. But that's all. It's just gonna tell me. I don't really want to read anything. So there's Psych Up. There's prebiotics. I don't know what that is, but there's also probiotics. And okay, words that I can't pronounce. I don't care. I want to get into it. So the first thing is a Pure Biome balancing cleanser with that Pycinogenol, is that what that is? Green tea and prebiotic. I don't know what a prebiotic is, or a postbiotic, whatever. But let's read about it. It says lather. It's just a cleanser, you know. I'm going to assume that everything is all of these products are targeted towards sensitive skin. That's what this, and I'm excited because you guys know I can't even use like certain creams or lotions on my face. So this is great. I'm gonna smell it. I'm not good. They're 100% vegan, soy free, cruelty free. So I guess this line is 100% vegan, cruelty free, ethically sourced, everything, and it's for sensitive skin. It looks pretty. It's a pearlescence cleanser. I can't wait to try it. It doesn't smell like anything really. I love that there's a pump, and that comes in handy for me. Because squeezing it out, sometimes you get a little too much. But if you can pump, sorry. But I like that. So let's see what it says. It says this is fragrance-free, sulfate-free cleanser. Leave your skin feeling ultra soft, healthy, and balanced. Dirt, makeup, oil, and all of that is dissolved with the green tea. So I'm going to try this when I take off my makeup for sure. Because I like to switch up my cleansers for daytime and nighttime. Usually my daytime cleanser would be something like this, because I don't wear makeup all the time, and sometimes I don't need like harsh chemicals. Nighttime, I usually go in with something with salicylic acid so I can top it with the serum, moisturizer, oil, all that stuff. But for daytime, I like something a little bit lighter. So this is going to be really, really good. Just ignore it. Here we have a Pure Biome Balancing Eye Cream, which I need because I do not have an eye cream right now. And it says apply a pearl-sized amount on your ring finger and pat around your eye. Use the morning and evening, which I definitely will. I'm going to assume nothing has a smell. So here, oh, it's like a lip gloss. It's like a little lip gloss thing. So you can, if you want to be clean, nothing has a smell. You can just do what they say, put some on your finger and pat around your eye. I don't recommend using this to like get it in. You could, but I'm just gonna say you don't want any germs to be trapped on this, and then you'll have an eye infection. I'm dropping everything. But yeah, I'm pretty sure they recommend using your finger and not just using this as an applicator for germs and sanitation, just so you don't get an eye infection. That would be terrible. But here's the second product. There's only 4 products in this, but I think the cleanser and like the creams make it really heavy. I'm definitely going to try these. I didn't get a chance to use the other products for real, so I'm definitely going to use these for real because it is targeted to sensitive skin. A lot of people have sensitive skin, myself included. Ooh, there's a serum. I can't wait. So this one, apply to clean face, neck, décolleté, and then combine with your moisturizer. But what's so good about this? Give me something. Okay, all these. So it's a lightweight serum, strengthens the skin barrier, restoring dry, sensitive, or hyperreactive skin. Mine is the last part. Hyperreactive. I react immediately to things. Even if it's not going to give me like a really bad reaction, like new products, I instantly feel my face tingling, burning. I tried this skincare line and it broke my skin out really, really bad. I couldn't use it. It was supposed to, I talked about this before. The video's on YouTube. It's just unlisted. If you guys want to see it, I'll drop the link in the comments and you guys could watch. They didn't want me to use the video. Even though I fulfilled my contractual agreements. I fulfilled it. I did what they said when I needed to do it. However, they weren't happy with my results and I wasn't either. So it did not happen. But let's take a look at this serum. Ooh, it looks cool. Oh, why the dropper got a little curve to the left? Y'all nasty. I'm gonna put some on my hand. This looks like what that other cleanser, that other serum looked like. It's very, very light. It smells like nothing really, like a moisturizer. Very, very hydrating. Let's hope it can repair some of my skin. It says it strengthens your skin's natural barriers, which is cool. Once it's on, after you rub it in, it's not very tacky, but it feels very, very moisturizing, and I like that. And again, it doesn't have a smell because this is targeted to sensitive skin, and I think that's really, really dope. And I think again they gave me a whole, this is what I like, when you get a whole skincare routine. That way I can do a video on it and do a reel. Yeah. So this is the last thing in the box. So these videos are usually really, really quick. And this is the Pure Biome Balancing Cream. I'm going to assume that everything is to balance your skin out, your pH. Hopefully it balances out. Did you guys know that when you use a toner, okay, not only does it like tighten the skin, it removes the excess cleanser, balances your skin's pH. Y'all didn't know that because y'all don't know stuff. Just kidding. But yeah, that's why it is important to use a toner. So let's check this out. I think everything had reishi mushrooms. I love mushrooms, but not like the drugs kind. The mushrooms. Y'all. This is very thick. No smell. I'm just pointing right on top of the hand where I put the serum, which I'm gonna tell you, my hand looks great. It looks supple. Oh. It's It feels nice. Like, obviously, because it is catering to sensitive skin, there are not going to be any harsh chemicals and no strong scents, which is great. I can't do it anyway. Everything just smells like a moisturizer. I just can't help smelling things because I smell things. So this moisturizer, it does leave your skin feeling a little bit tacky. I'm just very like, I don't know that I would use it before makeup. You guys know I like to use my mattifying moisturizer, so that's really cool. And I wouldn't want to mix. Ooh. I wouldn't want to mix any sensitive skin products with makeup because I feel like you just undoing all the hard work, you know? That is actually it. Here are all 4 products. You get a complete skincare routine again. And I can't wait. And this is all catering to sensitive skin. If you guys have sensitive skin, you might want to try this out. If you have oily skin, definitely check it out. I'm actually trying these oily this clear skin supplement right now. I'm going to try it for 2 weeks and see if I notice any results. It's supposed to really help control your oils. So I'll do a review of that at a later date when we do some other skincare stuff. But I'm definitely, so far, I think my oils have been controlled a little bit. It's not even been a week yet, but maybe, because I've worn makeup twice this week already, and I don't usually do that because I don't go outside. But so far, so good. No reactions in any other regard, so that's really cool. But this is a great start for anyone getting into their skincare routine who has sensitive skin and you're really afraid to try new products because it is scary. It's so scary thinking if you're going to put something on your face that everyone's going to see and it's going to break out. Awful. So this is really, really dope. A great line. No scents. And everything feels so nice. I can't wait to try it. I'm going to actually try it tonight. That is it, guys. Just a quick video showing you guys my March skincare unboxing. I don't know when this video is going to come out. This look is already... Check out this video. It is my Blue's Clues look, my Get a Clue tutorial on how to get this Blue's Clues look. That's really, really extra, but it's so me and I love it. So check that video out. But guys, are you subscribed? Are your notification bells on? Are you following me on Instagram? Because that's where you're going to see a lot of this look. That's where the reel is going to drop first. If your notification bell is on and set to all, you'll be notified every single time I post on my community tab, whether it's a short, anything. But you got to do that. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew. So you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.